In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change attachment on a Ryobi string trimmer that is attachment capable. The first thing I need you to do is find the center point of your string trimmer and locate this knob right here. You need to loosen this off, so we're going to turn this anti-clockwise. With this loosened off, we can press this button down here. Now, depending on what position you have your string trimmer head in, this might be turned around. Now, if we turn this to the side, it puts our string trimmer at an angle. To remove the attachment, we're going to press this button down again and pull it out. I want to replace my string trimmer with this Trimmer Plus brush cutter attachment. Now, this string trimmer plus attachment is the same diameter as the attachment I just took off my string trimmer. Also has the same button here, but you'll notice this button here is on the side compared to the standard string trimmer button, which is on the top. So this is going to be in a slightly different position. So we're going to hold our string trimmer close to where this knob is, bring in the attachment, slide it in, and you'll hear an audible click when it's secured. Right there. The button is now located where it's meant to be. We'll turn this knob, tying it all down. And that's how to change attachments on a Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer that's attachment capable.